What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and in this channel I'm your chef, and today we'll be making some glazed donuts, and it's a really tasty and necessary recipe for breakfast, snacking, occasions, you know. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post to get this tasty idea. First we'll need yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of warm water. Then stir and set aside. In a larger bowl, add all-purpose flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, then stir. Next, you add cardamom, one tablespoon of margarine, then rub it in. Add 1 egg, then knead. Add in yeast mixture and milk, then knead. If your mixture is too sticky, you'll need to add in flour bit by bit until your dough is soft. Cover the dough and let it sit for at least 1 hour. Mine rested overnight. Dust the surface with flour, then roll your dough. Dust the rolling pin so that the dough doesn't get stuck on it. Then cut into desired shape. You can use a donut cutter or a cup if you don't have one. Then fry on medium heat. And now we make the glaze. So we'll need icing sugar, milk, and vanilla essence. Now depending on the flavor you'll want, you'll pick the flavor. Now I wanted chocolate, so we'll use cocoa. The ingredients and measurements are in the description. If you want a thicker consistency for the glaze, you add icing sugar. If you want a thinner, you add milk. If you want the flavor to be conk, you add the flavor. Tweak it until you're satisfied. Now we glaze the top side of the donut and it's ready. And that's it. Cardamom donuts with chocolate glaze. Ooh! Taste test. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn off the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next week. Bye guys.